We are now in part 3 of the framing. We will see what we are going to learn today. In today's session, we have 3 outcomes. Upon the completion of this session, the learner will be able to: outcome number 1, know about bit-oriented approach and bit-oriented protocols. Outcome number 2, know about byte-oriented approach and byte-oriented protocols. And finally, we will know about the clock-based framing. We'll start with what are the various approaches that are there for framing. We know very well that framing is basically with two approaches. Number 1, bit-oriented approach, and number 2, byte-oriented approach. We also have a third approach, which is the clock-based framing. We will see that in the verge of this lecture. Basically, framing is of two approaches. One is bit-oriented approach, another one is byte-oriented approach. We will see what is a bit-oriented approach now. In a bit-oriented approach, the name itself says that it is concerned with bits. So it simply views the frame as a collection of bits. When we say there are two nodes, these two nodes are obviously going to exchange the data, but here we are viewing the data exchange as bits. So in bit-oriented framing, the data is transmitted as a sequence of bits that can be interpreted in the upper layers both as a text as well as a multimedia data. So after collecting all the bits, the receiver, it has to take the information and it has to hand over the same to the upper layers. So that information can be viewed as a text as well as a multimedia data. Multimedia data means it is the data that may have audio, video, images, animations, etc. So far we have seen bit-oriented approach. Let's see what is the popular protocol that is there under bit-oriented approach. In bit-oriented approach, the popular protocol is called as a bit-oriented protocol, and the protocol is HDLC, which is High Level Data Link Control, which was actually developed by IBM. We will talk about this HDLC in the next lecture. For time being, bit-oriented protocol means it is HDLC. So far we have seen about bit-oriented protocol and bit-oriented approach. Now let's move on to byte-oriented approach. In byte-oriented approach, we know that everything is viewed as a bytes. It is one of the oldest approaches to framing. So here, each frame is viewed as a collection of bytes or characters rather than bits. When we talk about characters, it is of 8 bits. When there are 8 bits, we can call it as byte, 1 byte. In the byte-oriented approach, everything is viewed as bytes. Since it is dealing with bytes or characters, it is also known as character-oriented approach. Let's see what are the protocols that are there in the byte-oriented approach. In the byte-oriented approach, we have 3 protocols. Protocol number 1, we have BISYNC, which means Binary Synchronous Communication Protocol. We have the second protocol as DDCMP, which is Digital Data Communication Message Protocol. And the last one and the very popular one is the PPP, which is point-to-point protocol. And that's it about the byte-oriented protocol. So basically, various framing approaches include bit-oriented approach and byte-oriented approach. We have a third approach to framing, which is clock-based framing. We know that it is the third approach to framing. This is mainly for optical networks. An example protocol under clock-based framing is SONET. It is Synchronous Optical Network. And that's it, guys. I hope now you know the bit-oriented approach and the bit-oriented protocols. Example HDLC in bit-oriented protocol. You know the byte-oriented approach and the byte-oriented protocols. Example BISYNC, DDCMP and PPP. And we know the clock-based framing. An example protocol here is SONET. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the lecture and thank you for watching.